Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a table in Canva. It's super easy and quick. Let's get started. Start by navigating to the left sidebar and selecting Elements. Scroll down until you reach the Table section. Then click See All to explore all available options. You'll find a variety of table designs to choose from. For this tutorial, I'll demonstrate using the most basic one. You can resize the entire table by clicking and dragging the corners. Click on the Move icon to move it around and position it where you want on your canvas. Click and drag the circular arrow to rotate the table to your desired angle. To adjust column width and row height, hover over the boundary between two columns or rows until your cursor turns into a double-headed arrow. Click and drag to resize. For equal column sizing, click the three dots on the side of the table and choose Size Columns Equally. You also have many other options here such as Add Row, Delete Row, and many more. Similar options are available for rows. You just have to click the three dots on top instead of the side. Customize your table further by selecting Colors for Cells or the entire table from the Color menu in the top toolbar. For the borders, you can select which part of the table you want to customize. Then pick a color, style, and weight from the border menu. Double-click on a cell to add text or numerical data. Adjust the font size like you would any other text. And that's it! You've successfully created a table in Canva. Feel free to customize it further to fit your needs. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.